Hello everyone, I hope you are well. So nowadays I am very well. What is what is this reason? I want this reason is height. It is good for me. So I a statement that we are learn in English person. We should every day try and try in English. I get at we are reason without talk are very difficult or complex. But if you are not reason talk, but your exercise are best and it is bona fide. I believe that. So everyone, I am bachelor. That is why my room is not organized. It is normal because of I am bachelor. So my background is not good. However, I say which is important this talk if we are at any rate we should learn English, but I believe that you are try and try every day. If you are every day try in English, but your English is improve must be. So everyone, I am not good, rare, not strong in my English. So every day I try in English improve for me. However, everyone, you are fair for me.